yung grandma ko lagi niyang sinasabi na mag-aral lang kayo. Importante yung may education tayo. Kahit ano narating mo, be humble. Yung nakaapa ka pa rin sa lupa, yung hindi ka, you don't have to say, no, I'm like this, I'm like that.
Hi, my name is Elisa Rodriguez, and I'm the founder of the Solaya. Last October of 2025, yung husband ko sabi niya, my love, imbes na 2027 siya magre-retire, can I do it now? Like, starting of 2026. And then I said, well, why not? I mean, probably this is the right time. And then we started like looking for industrial designer. Unang-unang nakita ng husband ko is Anika Angeli Pizarro. And then nakita namin, gumagawa din siya ng bag. And the company's name is Pulo. So ngayon na nakita ko, sabi ko, ang ganda naman ng bag. I'm a very fan of bag. Mahilig ako sa bag. Yung husband ko, like, every occasion, bag din. So nung nakita ko yung gawa niya, is a bag is made of rattan. So nagka-idea ako, why not? Doing the handbag, we're not only doing it, but we're also helping a lot of artisans. Yung way of helping them to, na parang inaano namin na, bakit kayo alis sa Pilipinas kung meron namang isang tao na willing kayong tulungan na mag-improve at maging better tayo? Kasi gusto naming ipakilala, not only in the US, internationally na we Filipino, we can do it. Makakatulong tayo sa kanila, matatalino talaga tayo. Nandun yung excitement mo na, is this real? Parang hindi pa rin ako nakakapaniwala na meron na akong bag na merong sarili niyang logo. Everything is different. We have the lowest one, then we have middle, and then we have the highest point. Right now, it's just my husband and I who's doing it. So, my warehouse is our casita. Our house kasi meron kami like a guest house. So, we make it our warehouse for now. Ayaw naman kasi namin ng husband ko na maubos lahat yung savings namin because we don't want a loan. That's one thing. Yun yung promise namin na we don't want to go overboard, then later on, baka naman kami yung wala na pala kami, parang naubos na kami. Wala kaming middle person. So lahat ng silang lahat, yung mga aming team, direct house sila lahat.
Kaming tatlong magkakapatid, we grew up with my grandma. So yung grandma ko lagi niyang sinasabi na mag-aral lang kayo. Importante yung may education tayo. Which is, yun din yung naging pundasyon ko para yung mga kids namin. Talagang, kung ano yung sinabi ng grandma namin, pinalo ko lang yun. Lagi niya pa sinasabi na, kahit ano narating mo, be humble. Yung nakaapa ka pa rin sa lupa, yung hindi ka, you don't have to say, no, I'm like this, I'm like that. When I used to work supervisor in the laboratory, I don't have any Filipino na mga tauhan. Puro sila mga, kundi Hispanic, American, tapos Indian. Tapos nagkaroon ako ng tauhan na Pilipino, but they're doctors in the Philippines. Sabi ko, why like that? Then yung mga Pilipino yun, I told them, mag-aral kayo, kaya nyo yan. To start a business, stop using credit cards. Kasi if you keep loaning, dun ka nababaon sa utang. And then, kung meron kang dream sa buhay at meron kang gustong gawin, di mo magawa eh. Because you don't have money. Alam ko yung iba gustong mag-business. Pero kung maglo-loan ka, tapos mag-start ka ng business, paano kung hindi kumita yung business mo? Unless kung magsisimula ka lang ng, like what we did, na yung small lang, na kung ano lang yung meron kami. Kung ano yung kumot, doon ka lang magkasya. Don't go over that, like, square. Huwag ka na lumabas doon. Yung iba kaya nagsasara, nalulugi. Kasi wala silang means. Mangungutang na naman. And then, you have to pay that too. Hi, I'm Elisa Rodriguez and proud owner of the Solaya.